We are sincerely sorry and hereby apologize to the bereaved families of Willie Kimani, Josphat, Mwenda, and Joseph Muiruri for murdering your loved ones. Those were the words of murder convicts and former police officers Fredrick Leliman, Stephen Cheburet, Sylvia Wanjiku, and police informer Peter Ngugi as they pleaded for leniency ahead of their individual sentencing on the 3rd of February next year, following the conclusion of their mitigation before Trial Judge Jesse Lesit. Citizen TV's Seth Olale followed the penultimate proceedings at the Milimani Law Courts.
The 1.5 hours of mitigation for 4 convicts in the murder case of lawyer Willie Kimani, his client Josphat Mwenda, and taxi driver Joseph Muiruri had the victims and 4 convicts face one another for probably the second last time before delivery of the sentence after a prolonged 6-year trial. The convicts first accused police officer Fredrick Leliman, his colleague second accused Stephen Cheburet, together with the third accused Sylvia Wanjiku, also a police officer, and police informer Peter Ngugi, the 5th accused, pleading for leniency by apologizing to the bereaved families after having been found guilty of murdering Willie, Mwenda and Muiruri on the 23rd of June 2016.
He has regretted that this incident ever occurred, and it is on that bended knee that he comes before you and tells you that for the last 6 years, this regret has been on a daily basis.
She's deeply sorry on account of the 3 lives that were lost, that if she were ever to have another chance, she would do anything within her reach to avoid any injury, any hurt or any death to anybody.
Leliman, Cheburet, Wanjiku and Ngugi were found guilty of abducting human rights lawyer Willie Kimani, his client Josphat Mwenda and taxi driver Joseph Muiruri shortly after attending a case implicating administration police officer Leliman, the first accused, in 2016 at the Mavoko Law Courts. The prosecution, which paraded 46 witnesses and 117 pieces of exhibits, stated that Leliman had unlawfully arrested and shot Josphat Mwenda, a boda operator, in April 2015. Leliman took Mwenda to the Mavoko Law Courts, where he was charged with being in possession of bang, resisting arrest and gambling. Trial Judge Jesse Lesit heard from the state prosecutor how an aggrieved Mwenda reported his ordeal to the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, and sought help from the International Justice Mission, IGM. It was Mwenda's action that angered Leliman as he felt his job was on the line after IPOA took up the matter and the officer was summoned for questioning. However, on the fateful day of June 23, 2016, the 3 appeared at the Mavoko Law Courts for a hearing, not knowing it would be their last day alive. Peter Ngugi, the 5th convicted suspect and a police informer, confessed that after the killings, the bodies were put in gunny bags, starched in 2 car boots, and dumped in River Athi at Oldono Sabuk, Machakos County.
As a Christian, she prays for the souls of the 3 departed and prays for graces and peace for the families and the victims.
On the 3rd of February, so I wish everybody a very good time, holiday time.
The family of slain lawyer Willie Kimani had asked the court to issue maximum sentences for the 3 convicts. The 6-year-old murder case will finally come to its conclusion on the 3rd February 2023 when the High Court will deliver its sentence against the 4 convicts. Seth Olale, Citizen TV, Milimani Law Courts.